The home behind me started as a 1,940 square foot home with only 4 beds and 2.5 baths. Now it has grown into a spacious, more than 2,200 square foot house with 4 beds, 3.5 baths. And beyond square footage, the personal touches and thoughtful design make this transformation truly special. We added 298 square feet, including this lovely 4 Seasons room that I'm standing in, which is located at the rear of the first level. I can only imagine the gatherings that our clients will have in this new space. It's an open concept design on the first level, which includes a new den as well, both of which enhance the home's functionality and flow. Additionally, there's a new luxurious full bathroom on the 3rd level, and the owner's bedroom was relocated and upgraded to feature a beautiful ensuite, adding both comfort and privacy. This project was deeply inspired by our clients' love for travel. The chevron wood flooring below me and all of the unique finishes around me reflect their global adventures, bringing a piece of their journeys back home. Our clients played a crucial role in every decision, making this transformation truly personal. Their recent marriage and plans to expand their family added layers of joy and excitement to the project. Their involvement ensured the home not only met their needs, but also embodied their dreams and their aspirations. This home transformation was not without its challenges. We were actually able to successfully navigate one of those challenges by obtaining a variance approval, therefore allowing for this rear expansion right behind me. Overcoming these hurdles enabled us to create an outdoor space that is just as functional as it is beautiful, thus seamlessly blending with the home's overall design. This client journey highlights the importance of thoughtful design and active client involvement. Every detail, no matter how small, contributes to creating a space that feels like home. Open communication with your design build team can turn challenges into opportunities, ensuring your home truly reflects your family's needs. If you're ready to transform your living space into something extraordinary, let's partner up to create a home of your dreams. Contact Paradigm Homes today.